Welcome to the dorm booking system, a state-of-the-art application designed to simplify and enhance the process of finding and reserving dormitory accommodation. Our system is crafted with user convenience in mind, featuring a streamlined flow from user authentication to booking confirmation, ensuring a seamless and intuitive experience. Our team has worked diligently to develop this robust and user-centric system. We are proud to introduce the members who have contributed their expertise and dedication to bring this project to life. So I am Jamiray Punsalan, the project manager, leading the project with clear vision and ensuring all components come together seamlessly. And Mary Ann Ramos, the lead developer, responsible for the core functionality and integration of the system, ensuring a smooth user experience. Jana Dios, UI UX designer, crafting a intuitive and visually appealing interface that enhances user interaction and satisfaction. And Hari Nagpis, our quality assurance specialist, conducting through testing and validation to ensure the system operates flawlessly and meets all user needs. Together, our team has combined their skills and knowledge to develop a system that not only meets the needs of users seeking dorm accommodation, but also provides a comprehensive, efficient, and enjoyable experience. We are excited to present the dorm booking system and look forward to seeing it make a positive impact on users' dorm booking experiences. Excellent.
System architecture. For the presentation layer, the presentation layer is in the interface between the user and the application. It is responsible for displaying information to the user and capturing user inputs. In a Java Swing-based dorm booking application, the presentation layer is built using various components that create a graphical user interface. The presentation layer in a Java Swing-based dorm booking application serves as the bridge between the user and the underlying application logic. It is tasked with presenting information to the user in a visually coherent manner and capturing user inputs for further processing. In this context, the presentation layer is constructed using a variety of Swing components to create a graphical user interface that is both user-friendly and responsive. Swing is a part of Java's standard library used for building GUI applications. It provides a set of lightweight, platform-independent components which include buttons, labels, text fields, tables, and other user interface elements. These components can be combined to form complex and intuitive interfaces. For the business layer, also known as the logic layer or domain layer, is a crucial component of a multi-tiered application architecture. It encapsulates the core functionality and business logic of the application, serving as an intermediary between the presentation layer, which handles user interactions, and the data access layer, which manage data storage and retrieval. The business layer contains the core functionality and business logic of the application. It acts as an intermediary between the presentation layer and the data access layer, processing user requests, applying business rules, and ensuring the integrity of operations. In the context of a dorm booking application, the business layer is responsible for processing user requests that come from the presentation layer, applying business rules to this request, and ensuring the integrity and correctness of operations before interacting with the data access layer. By encapsulating the business logic and rules within the business layer, the application becomes more modular, making it easier to manage and scale. It allows for a clear separation of concerns where each layer in the architecture has a distinct role and responsibility, contributing to a more organized and maintainable code base. And lastly, for the external layer, also known as the integration layer, plays a vital role in modern applications by allowing them to interact with third-party services and external systems. This interaction is typically facilitated through APIs or application programming interfaces, which provide a standardized way for different systems to communicate and share data. The external layer consists of third-party services and external systems that the application interacts with to perform certain operations. These services are typically accessed through APIs and are crucial for extending the application's functionality beyond its core capabilities. By incorporating the external layer, the dorm booking application can significantly extend its functionality and provide a richer user experience. This layer enables the application to leverage the capabilities of specialized third-party services, ensuring that it remains robust, scalable, and up-to-date with the latest technological advancements. And that's all for system architecture.
For conceptual framework, before in the current state, booking processes are predominantly manual, involving phone calls, emails, or in-person visits. So this method is not only time-consuming for both users, but also prone to human error. So the process of manually handling bookings leads to high chance of mistakes in booking details and scheduling. So additionally, record keeping and data management are often done using paper-based methods or basic digital tools like spreadsheets. So this setup makes it difficult to retrieve past records quickly and to efficient track availability and bookings. So when it comes to reporting and analytics, the current system provides limited access to real-time data and analytics. And generating reports on booking trends, customer preferences, or preferences and revenue is difficult to time-consuming and as a result of slow improvement. For after, we relate this to our DOI theory, which they are 5 factors of diffusion of innovation. First is the relative advantage. So the new automated booking house operating system offers a significant relative advantage over the manual process previously used. So this technological advancement eliminates the need for time-consuming manual tasks and reducing human error and providing fast service to users. The relative advantage is evident in the improved user satisfaction and increased product. Second is compatibility. So this system is highly compatible with the existing needs and operations of the booking house. So this alignment with user expectations and business operations facilitates smooth adoption and minimizes resistance of the change. Third is complexity. So the user interface is designed to be intuitive, ensuring that both users can easily navigate the platform or application by simplifying the booking process and offering a clear guidance to the system that reduces perceived complexity, making it accessible to all users. Next is reliability, which help users to become comfortable with the new technology and build a confidence effectiveness before making a full transition. So the Booking House operating system offers reliability features that allow potential users to experiment with the technology before fully committing. And lastly, the observability, which the real-time data and reporting provide a tangible evidence of the system's impact on operations. So these visible results serve as a powerful testimonials to the system effectiveness and encouraging the wider adoption and reinforcing this decision to implement the technology. And after implementing to the new system, the booking process are automated, following customers to make or users to make a reservation online at any time. So for automated booking process, the system provides instant confirmation and notification that reducing a human error and speeding up the process. And enhancing record keeping and data management, which the centralized database for booking and users information that allows quick retrieval and real-time updates. So this enhances the data accuracy, the making benefits observable and aligning with the existing need for efficient data management. And to improve customer experience, the user-friendly online booking platform improves user experience by providing an easy access to service and instant confirmation, which compatibility with the user's expectation of online services is high, and the system ease of use ensures the low perceived complexity. And for advanced reporting, data reports, and increased staff productivity, the real-time access to data reports provide the insights into booking trends, user behavior, and revenue, and facilitating the data-driven decision-making, which the system compatibility with existing reporting needs and its ability to simplify complex data analysis and processes and make it valuable tool for strategic planning. Next.
Welcome everyone. Today we're going to walk through the process flow of our booking system. The diagram you see here illustrates each steps a user takes from logging in to completing a booking. Let's begin with an overview of the process flow. As you can see, our system is designed to guide the user through several key stages, from the login page to the final thank you page. Each stage is crucial to ensuring a seamless and efficient user experience. The process flow starts at the login page. Here, the user must authenticate themselves by entering their credentials. These steps ensure secure access to the booking system, protecting both user data and integrity of our services. Once logged in, the user is directed to the location selector. Next, we have the location selector. This is where the user choose the desired location for their stay. The interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to easily search for and select a location that suits their needs. This allows users to return and modify their login information if needed, ensuring flexibility at the beginning process. After selecting the location, the user moves to the dorm selector stage. Here, users can browse different dorm options available at the selected location. They can view details, compare amenities, and pick the dormitory that best fits their preferences and their budget. The background arrow to the location selector ensures users can go back and choose a different location if they want to explore other options. Once the dorm selection is complete, the process moves to the booking stage. This is where users finalize their booking details. They can review their selected dorm, check availability, and complete the payment process. This stage is crucial for confirming the user's choice and securing the reservation. Upon successfully booking, the user is directed to the thank you page. This page serves as confirmation and thank you note. It provides users with a summary of their booking and any additional instructions or next steps they may need to follow. One notable aspect of our process flow is its flexibility. As shown by process flow, users can navigate back to the previous stages if they need to modify their choices. From the thank you page, users can return to the location selector or dorm selector to make changes or initiate new bookings, enhancing the user experience by providing ease of navigation. To summarize, our process flow is designed to be user-friendly and flexible, guiding the user from logging to booking completion with clear, initiated steps. Each stage builds on the previous one, ensuring the users have a seamless experience as they navigate through the system.
So, dormitory reservation system is a complete application that simplifies and makes it easier to find and book dorms. The system has been designed with user experience as its main priority. Therefore, it can be easily navigated from one step of user authentication to the booking confirmation, which ensure efficiency and usability. The major elements of the system are the login page, the dorm selection process, the booking process, and the thank you page, which altogether help smoothen out the user experience. So the login page is the entry point for users to access their accounts on the dorm booking application. It typically includes fields for users to input their username and password. As you can see, we also included the options to log in via social media accounts like Google or Facebook. The login page ensures that only authorized users can access their personal booking information and make reservations. The booking process involves several steps that guide the user from selecting a dorm to finalizing the reservation. It is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring a smooth experience. Users view a list of available dorms based on their preferred location. Clicking on a dorm listing provides a detailed information about the dorm, including photos and description. Users fill out a form with their preferences for the stay, and then user can enter their payment method to secure the booking. The thank you page is the final step in the booking process. It confirms that the user's booking has been successfully completed and provides them with important details about their reservation. So in summary, we have the login page, which is the entry point for users to access their accounts. The booking process steps from searching for dorms to finalizing the reservation. And the thank you page confirms the booking and provides necessary reservation details. So we have organized the initial data into files located in the same folder as the application, ensuring easy access and efficient management. The data is meticulously sorted according to its intended use within the system, which streamlines both application development and testing processes. In the IRL folder, we have included images used in the dorm booking application. These images provide essential visual content for dorm listing, enhancing the overall user experience. This organization helps maintain a clear structure, making it easier for developers to locate and use the necessary data. By having everything in one place, we can quickly access and update information as needed. The sorted data ensures that each component of the application functions smoothly and integrates seamlessly with others. This careful planning and organization contribute to a more efficient development process and a more user-friendly final product. The inclusion of visual content in the IRL folder plays a crucial role in attracting users and providing them with detailed insight into each dorm listing. And additionally, we have included an admin account to demonstrate how administrators will be notified of new bookings. This feature is designed to ensure that administrators can efficiently manage and monitor all booking activities. To access the admin page, user needs to enter admin in the username field on the login page and then press the login button. Once logged in, the admin page provides comprehensive details and the names of the dorms that have been booked. The admin page serves as a central hub for administrators, offering a detailed overview of all booking activities. This setup not only streamlines user interactions, but also significantly enhance administrative oversight. Administrators can quickly view booking information, manage reservation, and respond to any issues that may arise. By including these features in the dorm booking system, the dorm booking system is well equipped to handle a variety of user needs and operational scenarios. The inclusion of visual content and detailed booking information ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience. Furthermore, the admin page facilitates effective management and monitoring, making the system robust and reliable. So overall, this organization and functionality ensure that the dorm booking system can provide a seamless and efficient experience for both users and administrators. The initial data setup, along with the admin features, creates a comprehensive and well-structured application development. This enhances the overall usability and effectiveness of the dorm booking system.